Hi, I'm Anna with Bath Concepts, and I'm going to walk you through this elegant elevated bathroom behind me. This is a bathtub shower combo with Napoli marble acrylic walls. What's nice about the acrylic walls is it'll give you the look of real marble without the expense, and also it's easy to clean, it's durable, and it's moisture resistant. One of my favorite parts of this bathroom has to be the beautiful laser etched glass doors. This is in the pattern Arrow V groove, and you'll notice that you can put the shower door on top of the tub. So if you want a tub and the glass door, you can do that. Below the shower doors, we have the wavefront soaker tub. And then if you move into the tub, you'll notice we have all brushed nickel fixtures. We have the Moen handheld shower head with the optional slider bar so that you can adjust it to your height whenever you need to. We also have in the brushed nickel the liquid accents metal single tier shelves. What's nice about these is they're slotted underneath so that if you put anything wet on top, the water can drain out easily. And then matching that brushed nickel as well, we have the 24-inch grab bar. This is great for safety, especially with a bathtub if you have to get up and out or hold on to it while getting in. It's just a nice safety feature, but you also continue the beautiful aesthetic. And then with the brushed nickel, you can continue that outside of the wet area in your fixtures and just have a very beautiful, cohesive look. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough. What are your thoughts on this design?